Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. It is 1:40 a.m. on December 2nd, and there is a new report that a date bug in iOS 11.1.2 is causing a crash loop on basically all iPhones. So if you have the current latest version of iOS, which is 11.1.2, there is a decent chance that you will be affected by this. So this bug appears to continually crash iPhones or respring them when time-based local notifications are received after 12:15 a.m. on December 2nd. And if we scroll down here, they think that the problem is tied to local notifications received from apps that offer daily or repeat reminders, like Headspace, for example, which sends daily reminders to encourage users to take time to meditate. Any app using local, as in not pushed from a remote server, notifications that repeat will cause a crash. And this person says if you have an app that has local notifications, it'll crash your Springboard. They've got some test code here that you guys can check out if you're into that kind of thing. Yeah, you can reproduce the issue right there. And then, so for those of you that are actually going to try to fix this, if you're having the issue, obviously you could delete the apps, but it's going to be hard to figure out which ones do it because every app is different, and you're not going to necessarily know which apps are pushing the push notifications via a server or just by local. So you're going to want to follow some of these steps. I know they're annoying. I don't really know why Apple is so sloppy with their releases these days. I mean, I know it's hard to push out, software to millions and millions of people, but bugs like these are just really bad. So on Reddit, some users have found success fixing the issue by disabling notifications and turning off background app refresh. I actually have not experienced this issue. I don't know that I have any apps that utilize the local push notifications, but I also don't have background app refresh on. And again, you should disable notifications on any app that you're not actively giving a shit about. I just got demonetized. So any app that you guys don't care about that much, disable notifications on it. It'll save you some battery as well. If you want to check out our video on the best battery tips, go check that out, link down below. Anyways, Apple support staff appears to be recommending a manual date change to a time before the problem occurred as a temporary solution. That is crazy. Reinstalling apps and restarting does not fix the issue. Problem looks like it's limited to devices running 11.1.2, and the 11.2 beta aren't affected. So if you want to completely fix it, because Apple's fix, well, they don't have one yet, you guys can get on the 11.2 beta. Apple stores in Australia, where it is late afternoon, December 2nd, are inundated with support requests from customers experiencing the issue. And they're basically saying, it depends on the time zone, obviously, but when it rolls over to December 2nd, they got the issue. So you're probably watching this video trying to figure out how the heck you can fix this. And I think the easiest way is to just set your time back, your dates back to a couple days ago, a couple weeks ago, until Apple fixes this. I know that's super annoying. It might cause issues with other apps, but Apple is just not on their game with their quality and assurance departments. So I don't know what else to say, guys. This is not something I wanted to see, from an Apple release. iOS 11 has had a lot of major issues, and this is bad because it will literally cause your phone to continuously crash and boot loop, which for me would be alarming, but imagine average consumers that this is just going to start happening to today. This is a huge issue for Apple, and hopefully they can push out an emergency fix for this maybe by Monday. I doubt they'll do it over the weekend, but this is just bad, and I want to get you guys ahead of the curve here. It's almost 2 in the morning. Most tech bloggers are not going to be posting videos at this time, but I'm ahead of this for you guys, and you already know I'm going to keep you up to date with all of the Apple news, reviews, and bugs. So I've been saying that in all my videos. I stick to my word. So hopefully one of those fixes works for you guys. But again, if this is happening to you, just quickly go into your settings, change the date back, and you should be all right. I've heard that changing the time zone to Honolulu time actually fixes it. Not confirmed on that 100%, but I think the date change should work. Or you could delete apps that could have this issue, or again, turn off notifications, background app refresh, stuff like that. So those are your options, guys. Drop a comment down below. I will try to respond to as many as I can. Again, I'm rushing this video, trying to get this out before all your guys' phones start crashing. So drop a comment down below if you have an issue. I'll try to get to you guys. Hopefully you guys can help other people out, and we can just have a discussion down there to help everyone out for this stupid bug. So that's all I got for this video, guys. I got you guys covered with all Apple news. So give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.